Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a full cut crease using the James Charles palette, and I'm starting off by taking the shade Love That and just building the shape for our cut crease. And yes, it's been a hot minute since I've done a video. I took a little break. I'm still trying to figure out my settings. I did get a new camera, but I'm still waiting on the tripod and we're still waiting for a lot of stuff to come in. But hopefully the next video will be a different kind of quality and setup. And now that we have the shape going, I'm gonna jump in to the next shade, which is the shade Skip, and just start blending that a little bit over that first shade. Then the last shade we're going to use to make it more diffuse is the Pinkity Drinkity shade. Then you're just going to see me go back into those three shades and basically just build and blend. Then I'm just taking a Q-tip and just removing some of the Love That shade, so when we put concealer it won't mix in together and transfer. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand to cut the crease. The patience I need to have to do cut creases, well, full ones, is immense. Then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm just taking a brush to pat down the concealer and also blend away the edges of the concealer. Just blend it into my foundation more so it's not looking so harsh. Now going back in with the pinkity drinkity shade, we're just gonna put that shade all over our full cut crease. Then I'm just taking the Love That shade and we're gonna create a wing. Usually I would have just used tape, but since I have my face makeup on, it just wasn't the move. So I did use like a piece of like paper to make it straight, but I did do this off camera. Then I went in with concealer just to fix up that wing and just make it more sharp. Then I'm basically just doing the same thing to the other eye. Then for the bottom lash line, we're just going back in with those 3 shades and just basically doing the same order that I did on my lid. Then I went ahead and did lashes and lips off camera, and that will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.